Welcome to Sunset Brewing Company. We are a brewery and restaurant based out of Huntington Beach, California, and we have a slogan of making life bright and delicious one sip at a time, with a view of the ocean and our house brewed craft beers. Our campaign big idea is we want you to take some time out for you and come try our brews to enjoy with friends and family. You can see some college friends enjoying some craft beers after a long day. Our target audience is Michael Smith, who is a 30-year-old father of 4 young children who values spending time and making memories with his family. And then there's Tommy Lynch here, who is a 22-year-old professional surfer who likes to spend time on the beach and enjoy a nice beer and meal after a day on the water catching the waves. Our goals are to increase brand awareness through social media such as Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. We'll be using features such as the Boost and Ad Manager on Facebook and this Live and Sponsored through Instagram. To attain this, we will have QR codes around the area for people to scan and come in with a discount. And we hope to increase our followers by 90% in the first 3 months by using social media and other tactics like that as well. We will be increasing our followers and foot traffic and tracking this through analytic features and through Excel spreadsheets. Our secondary objective is to generate revenue. We hope to increase revenue by at least 50% in the first 6 months because we are still getting started. And we will keep track of this through Google Analytics and social media capabilities. Right here we have an example of Google Analytics to track our active users and a Excel spreadsheet to keep track of our budget. For our social media strategy, we'll be focusing on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube with all of Facebook's features. It has been shown that between 1 p.m. and 4 p.m. and around 6 p.m. are the best times to post on Facebook. And we'll be doing live stories and sponsored posts on Instagram. And since YouTube is all video and streaming, we'll be doing brewery tours with cooking and recipes on there as well to interact with our subscribers. And right here you can see the ages of Instagram users. The most is around 25 to 34, along with Facebook, which is where our target market falls. So this is why we'll be using Facebook and Instagram. For our paid ad strategy, we'll be using the Ad Center on Facebook and the Ad Manager on Instagram, so we can set a budget and a certain period of time for our posts to be sponsored and to show up on people's feed. And along with Google, we'll be using keywords such as restaurants with views of the ocean and farm-to-table locally sourced meals. So if people search those, it'll come up on their feed as well and on their Google search. Along with pay-per-click, people can search things such as indoor and outdoor seating, and our restaurant would come up for that as well. Our inbound strategy, we'll be using email campaigns. You can see right here, happy birthday from Sunrise Brewing Company. You can get a free beer. You get 15% off your bill. And if you sign up for our email campaigns, you get new recipes for drinks and new menu items that you'll have access to first. And our cooking classes are $30 per person, which includes food and drink, and these take place every Tuesday and Thursday at 6 p.m. Some sample content, we have Bob's Donuts, which they showcase their donuts. We will be showcasing our beers and food, along with Instagram right here. We will have sponsored posts, and we'll be also posting our food and beers. And over here we have the Google Business feature, where people have all our information in one area, get linked to our website, phone number, hours, and even ordering, pickup, or delivery. Our budget breakdown, we'll have about $42,000 a month, so we'll break that up between Facebook, Instagram, and Google, totaling about $32,000. And we'll have about $10,000 left over to budget anywhere else that may need it.